school, I've been really active in the community and getting active in clubs. I've really enjoyed my time in sports. I have a really good time and have been fortunate enough to be on some pretty good teams, so it's been pretty fun.
Just like college in general, I'm very excited about getting out of Pennsylvania and just having a new experience with new people because I have been in Mechanicsburg my entire life, so I've grown up with everybody in my high school, so I'm very excited to meet new people and have new experiences.
I'm really looking forward to kind of college life and going to college games and being a part of the student life, being active in the community, and school sounds really fun. It sounds like everyone really knows you. So I'm just looking forward to building those relationships.
During COVID, all I was doing was practicing piano, and by the end, I grew so much. And I realized, like, oh, this is definitely something that I could do with my life. And then my piano teacher went out of town, and she had me teach some of her lessons. And I was like, this is definitely something that I could be doing. I could picture myself doing it. And then this year, I have an internship with our 4th and 5th grade orchestra director, and that has definitely solidified my choice in my major and my career path.
When I was doing like my search for colleges, for me it was very important to go to a college that had a mission similar to mine, that had beliefs and values that I uphold. And then when I came across Monmouth from a friend last year, her name's Elena Earl, and she attended this school. So I'm like, oh, let me look into that school. And I did. And it just like, it fit the mission, it fit the value. And then just that day for like scholarship day, like everything fell in perfectly. I'm like, yes, this is the school. The teachers were great, the staff were great. And like even the students who spoke to us, they were like, this is where it's at. This is where you should be.
I just really loved like the community feel. Like grade school, like I went to grade school, like I could see like the like the bell of the church from my backyard. If I leave my house now, I still see kids I go to grade school with and high school with. So like all like the schools I've been a part of, I've had that like good community feel where there are a lot of connections and a lot of just like a feeling of like familiarity, you know? And when I went to Monmouth, even though I didn't know people there, I still had that same like feeling, that same like sense that I feel just where I'm at right now.